Hello, salsa aficionados! Let's continue with our casino dancing course. In this lesson, we will learn how to do Vuelta al Hombro. So, Professor Armando, what figures do we need for our Vuelta al Hombro?
Of course, Mari. To do our figure Vuelta al Hombro, or in English, turn towards your shoulder, we will just need our figure Dile que sí. So, let's show you how it's done. Let's begin with our marque and Dile que no, open position, and Vuelta al Hombro. Change hands, Dile que sí, crown, and on crown, and open position. Let's do it from the other side, open again, and Vuelta al Hombro. Change hands, advance with basic step, crown and on crown, and open again. That is our figure Vuelta al Hombro. So, Mari, which figures do we need to do our Vuelta al Hombro?
We will review Dile que sí.
That's right. Let's begin with the Dile que sí, doing it slowly without the music. Let's start in open position. Remember that your Dile que sí is a sácala or forward turn, while I, as a guide, walk around with our basic step. Let's do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, Dile que sí, and 1, 2, up, turn, and Dile que no, open again. Very good. One more thing to consider. Remember that when we do open position figures, we need to always activate our resistance or presence while we do any figure in this new position. Also, if we're doing a sácala or a forward turn, remember that we have to activate our presence as we prepare on the third time, like this, 1, 2, 3, and then I will use that resistance to draw a circle around her head. Never go through her head because that will change the intention, which will become a corona, which we'll see right next to this Dile que sí. Let's begin again without the music. 1, 2, 3, Dile que sí. Advance, 1, 2, prepare, Dile que sí with sácala, Dile que no, and open again. Now, let's try it with the music. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, Dile que sí. Let's walk while I do a sácala, and again a Dile que no. Let's do it from the other side. Change place, Dile que no, repeat, Dile que sí. I'll make her walk forward while she does a turn, and I walk to the other side with our basic step. Very good. Now, let's do the same movement, but with our right hand as guides, with her right hand as interpreters. So, we will also prepare on 1, 2, 3, so she can do a turn on 5, 6, 7. But the difference will be that I will decorate as I do a crown or a corona while I go towards her center. Now, let's see what happens when I do the sácala. When I advance, that means the Dile que sí. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. In this moment, on 7, I'm gonna do the crown, okay, or the corona. This is very important to know for the interpreter that the resistance is gonna break or it's gonna stop when the wrist of her goes right through the middle of her head. This means that she doesn't have a reference of where to go if it's to one side or the other. If he makes her wrist go towards the center, then she has to break the resistance because she can't go backwards like that. Now, in this moment, she will relax the resistance so I can do this type of decoration. We will name it corona or crown. So we can crown her and uncrown her. We will crown her on the 7th time. This is when we will prepare ourselves for the Dile que no, asking for her left hand in between us at this level. So we will do a Dile que no like this. 1, 2, 3. This means that on the third time, I will uncrown her or descoronala, which will help us prepare ourselves to activate again the resistance of both arms to do the paseala of the Dile que no. That means that in 5, 6, 7, with her left, I'm gonna pull her so she does the paseala of a normal Dile que no. But using now our connection with our fingers or in a spoon position for the paseala of the Dile que no. Let's try it again very slowly. 1, 2, 3, change hands and stop. Before we start, we recommend to change the hand on 7. So in 1, we are ready to do the Dile que sí of the Vuelta al Hombro. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, corona. Now that we are on the other side, we do the Dile que no and uncrown on 3. 1, 2, uncrown. Now pull with both arms. 5, 6, 7. We will return to the normal position of our hands after the Dile que no to continue the open position. Let's change place, so we do it again slowly and then with the music. Very slowly. 1, 2, 3, change hands, right with right. Dile que sí, change place, crown, uncrown, pull, and change hands again. Now let's do it with the music. 1, 2, 3, let's go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, vuelta al hombro. Turn towards the shoulder, do the Dile que sí, crown, uncrown, pull, change hands, open position. One more time. Vuelta al hombro. Change hands. 1, 2, 3. Sácala. Crown. Uncrown. Pull. And 1, 2, 3. And that's our figure. Vuelta al hombro, or as we said, turn towards your shoulder. You can repeat the video that we did on Dile que sí, so you can feel the resistance or the connection you need to do this figure. And you can also review our other figures with open position. So, see you in the next lesson.
Bye!